Hey everyone, I hope you're having a good day or had a good day wherever you may be in this world. Today we're going to do my February Boxycharm unboxing, and before we get into it I just want to explain for a few seconds or 60 seconds how the Boxycharm works and pretty much what it is. Boxycharm is a monthly subscription. It is $21 a month. They do offer a upgraded box. I think it's called like Boxy Luxe or something like that. I'm not sure how much it is, but I know you get it every 3 months, I want to say. I'm not sure. I just stick to the $21 a month. I do buy this myself 100% completely. To me, I love getting this subscription box because it comes with 5 to 6 full-size products all the time, ranging in prices. And most of the time, the boxes are well over $100, so you're getting a lot of bang for your $21 bucks. So pretty much, you get literally everything: makeup, hair products, brushes, nail polishes. I think one of the boxes a couple of months ago you had a straightener in it, like a mini straightener, but I didn't receive that one. My last month's Boxycharm, I did open it before I filmed because I wasn't filming till the next day, but I just got out the shower, hence the hair, and just went to go receive my Boxycharm that got delivered on Friday, but I was away for the weekend, so I wasn't able to receive it. So I picked it up and bare face, and yeah. They do have an Instagram. It's Boxycharm. I will leave the link down below so that way you can sign up for Boxycharm if you would like. And yeah, I just really honestly love it just because it's like Christmas every month, even though I cheat and look at what they're going to give me. So on Boxycharm's Instagram, they usually post sneak peeks of what you're going to get. Most of the time it's you're going to get this product or you'll receive this or this. They give like options pretty much, but you don't get to choose. I actually just used... I don't know how it works, but you get charms, like Boxycharms, and then you're able to use those to buy things from the Boxycharm store. So I just bought the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Silk for 45 charms. Alright, so we open up the box. Okay, I'm shocked because I thought I was getting something else and thought that the product that they showed on Instagram the other day that nobody was getting. But anyways... every box comes with a paper, and this month's theme is called Afterglow, and I want to say, if I'm not mistaken, so I'm pretty sure Jackie Aina helped create this box, and basically what this card does is it tells you all of the products, what it does, if it's full size, if it's trial size, and the total amount. So at the end of this video, I will go in and total up everything and tell you how much it is, but let's go into the box. The first thing that I see is this right here, which this is a product that I'm surprised I got. I didn't think I was getting it, and I'm pretty freaking excited. This is the Farmacy Be Clean Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser. I'm running out of my Mad Hippie one, so I'm super excited to use this. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to try it on camera because I did, like I said, just get out the shower, so which means I washed my face. And I was not expecting this. They posted this on their Instagram, and it didn't say like every charmer will receive this. It just said like talking about the product. So I just assumed we weren't getting it. And this is $22. So already $1 over the box. I don't think that this is a full size. It doesn't say. It doesn't say whether it's a full size or not, but I'm assuming it's not. I am super excited for this because they sell this at Sephora, and this is a clean brand, so I'm excited to use this. And it says, soothe and hydrate your skin while lifting dirt, excess oil, impurities, grime, and makeup. Your new Farmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser was made for daily use, keeping those with sensitive skin in mind. It is formulated with naturally derived ingredients like coconut, sugar, amino acids, and a powerful botanical blend of turmeric, chamomile, calendula, aloe, and licorice root. So I'm really, really excited for this. Let's see if, I don't think it's open, but no, I can't smell anything. So yeah, for the millionth time, super excited for this. I will keep you guys updated on if I like it or not. And then the next thing in the product that I can really see is this right here. And if I didn't already own this, I would be extremely excited. This is a great primer. It's the No Poreblem. It's the Touch and Soul No Poreblem Primer. This stuff is really, really good. It retails for $18. I'm going to put this in my drawer where I have multiples of products that I actually like. So I'm going to put this away, but I'm going to take out the one that I have that's already open. So this is the primer that I have, same exact one, except mine is still in the box. I have a problem with letting go of packaging, but here's my sign and the track. The same thing, this is mine that I've had, and then this is the Boxycharms ones. Same thing, same everything. Maybe they did repackage, so look at, I don't know if you can tell, this is the back. This one is mine. This one came from Boxycharm. See? This one's mine. This is one that came from Boxycharm. I am going to put this on right now. Apply it all over my face. It's such like the easiest way to explain it to you is it feels greasy, but it does fill in your pores like it says it should, pretty much. This does give you a really good seamless canvas for foundation. I normally don't put it on my nose just because I like my nose to have a mattifying primer, but for the sake of this video, we gonna do it. I'm gonna go off camera and I'm gonna apply my foundation, my bronzer, and my eye stuff because I don't have any of that in here, so I will be right back. Alright, so everything is on that I don't have in my Boxycharm except for the stuff obviously that I have in my Boxycharm. So we're going to jump right into the next product, and clearly you can't see nothing here, but when you open up the flap, this is the first thing that I see, and it's pretty cool packaging. It looks like a little lip crayon. This is a, oh goodness, I don't even know how to say this, Trestique, I don't know. But it says it is a prime and color lip glaze in the shade English Rose. It looks like a nice rosy pink color. And this says it's $25. It's a 2-in-1 lip duo. Features a luxurious lip smoothing primer on one side and a shiny color glaze on the other. It's got a little sticker that says primer inside. It's so cute. This honestly reminds me of the What's Up highlighter that I got years and years and years ago that I actually threw away. I've been wearing lashes all weekend and like every time I film, so today I was just like, I have 3 videos to film. I want to keep it somewhat natural. Natural lashes, don't feel like dealing with it. So anyways, I'm going to take my primer and put it all over my lips. It's not like it's not glossy, but you know, like a primer like sinks into your skin. Not really doing that. And then the other side is this. Oh, the deeper color than what I thought it would be, and it's got like a weird shape to it. It doesn't have the worst applicator, but it's also not the best. My lips are like weird where I have to make sure that they're similar in shape and on both sides, but my top lip is like the worst for me to try and do, but it wasn't awful, but like I said, it just wasn't the greatest. And I don't know if this type of lipstick type of consistency is my favorite. I like lip gloss and a matte lip, but this is a lip glaze. It's not sticky and it's pretty comfortable, but the color I really do enjoy. It looks pretty good. Nothing to knock about that. And one thing that I really do love about Boxycharm is they introduce you to brands that you might not have bought on your own. So like, I probably would have never bought this in my life just because it's not me, but it allows you to step outside of your comfort zone by trying different products, and I've never heard of this brand before, so oh poop, I messed up. Please forgive me. I messed up, but it's alright. So the next thing in the box, when I pull the flap down, is this, and a lot of people are probably extremely excited about this, but I'm not that excited about it just because I got the mini size. But, I mean, the mini size could be different than the full size, you don't know. But I'm not going to open this right now because I still have the mini version, but I didn't use it today because I completely forgot I had a mascara. But this is the famous Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, which is amazing that we got it in this box. I've tried it, and because my eyelashes grow down and need a curl and all that, I just don't, it's not really my favorite, but I will give the full size one a try. It's not my favorite, and that's that, and we'll move on to the next product. So the next product is packaged like this, and not under this flap, but under this flap. In the box is the Pretty Vulgar Shimmering Swan highlighter, and I got it in the shade Glimmers of BS. And this retails for $32, and it is a full-size product. So that is pretty amazeballs. I'm going to take my Morphe M501 brush, which is usually what I use for a highlighter, and I'm going to use this for highlighter all over my face today. And over here. Pretty impressed. It's actually pretty glowy. Wasn't expecting that much. And I'm going to take a smaller brush and put it on my inner corners. So I just calculated it, and the overall value of this box is $121, and you literally are getting $100 more than what you paid because the monthly box is $21. But anyways, this is my Boxycharm unboxing and try on video. If you liked it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to check out more videos that I have on my channel. So yeah, that was this month's Boxycharm unboxing, and I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video.